I have to share this with people. That यही वफा का सिला है तो कोई बात नहीं, ये दर्द तुमने दिया है तो कोई बात नहीं. So if this is the consequence of loyalty, then he says कोई बात नहीं. It's like, this कोई बात नहीं, it's nothing. La bas, this. So यही बहुत है कि तुम देखते हो साहिल से, सफीना डूब रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं. Says it's enough for me. Now look at this qana'a, this concept of contentment, that it is enough for me that you are watching from the shore. Your glance is enough. The fact that the ship is sinking, don't worry about it. Wow, I love the attitude, honestly. ये फिक्र है कहीं तुम भी ना साथ छोड़ चलो, जहान ने छोड़ दिया है तो कोई बात. That what bothers me is that you might leave me. The fact that the world has already abandoned me, don't worry about it. तुम ही ने आईना दिल मेरा बनाया था. That you built this mirror of my heart. You see, this aina dil, it's a phrase used in Urdu poetry quite a bit. And it means like the aina, the mirror of the heart, but it's really referring to the heart. But they are likening it to a mirror in its purity, potential purity, transparency, also in its fragility. Rather. So, तुम ही ने आईना दिल मेरा बनाया था, तुम ही ने तोड़ दिया है तो कोई बात. Since you made it, if you broke this heart, don't worry about it. And then he says, किसे मजाल कहे कोई मुझको दीवाना. Who can dare to call me insane? किसे मजाल कहे कोई मुझको दीवाना, अगर ये तुमने कहा है तो कोई बात. Hi. Says, but if it's you that said it, chalo koi baat. La bas. What a poem, people. What a poem. Poetry, I tell you, it has some majesty to it, that it's just on that. If I have here, I don't know if I have.